Meaning of hostility.
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 Hostility. Hostility refers to a state of animosity or antagonism towards someone or something. It can manifest in various forms such as aggression, verbal abuse, or passive resistance. Hostility is often driven by negative emotions like anger, jealousy, or fear. It can result in strained relationships, conflict, and even violence. In the workplace, hostility can lead to a toxic work environment that negatively impacts productivity and employee morale. It is important to address and manage hostility in order to promote a healthy and productive social and professional environment.